In this video, we will see how to synchronize files using the Hot folder for Windows. The first step is to open the notification area menu on the taskbar. Here, we can find the Hot folder icon. Right-click on it and select the Server Settings option. We can select the language from here and enter the username, password, and OpenKM URL. Next, we verify the connection. We will then go to the folder configuration. This section will tell the Hot folder which folders we want to link. First, we select a local folder and then a remote folder. Click the Add button to link as many directories as possible. At the bottom is a Reset button, which will delete all configurations saved in the system. Now, we proceed to save this configuration. Next, we will upload a few documents. In the repository, we can see that our folder A is currently empty. We copied some documents into the local synchronized folder. As we can see, the documents are no longer in the local folder. This means that the files are already in the OpenKM repository. Finally, if we return to the application and refresh the interface, we will see that these documents are now in the system. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via our social media.